Hey there, so as you might know, Google just released Veo 3, and yes, it's incredibly powerful, but there's a catch. It's very limited in access and comes with a high price tag. But here's the good news. I found a solution. Today, I'm going to show you how to create super realistic videos using just an image or even a simple text prompt. Let's begin. Yes, it's SeaArt. SeaArt now offers a range of powerful options to generate videos, featuring more than 4 unique AI video models. In today's video, we're going to learn how to generate realistic images and turn them into stunning videos using SeaArt's Ultra2 Pro model. Let's take a look. First, head over to the text-to-image tool using the link in the description. There you'll find an option to enter a prompt and choose the image aspect ratio. Go ahead and fill in a prompt. This image will be the very first frame of your video. All right, I've entered the prompt and clicked on generate, and here's the result. Just like that, you can create multiple images based on your preferences, then simply download them all to your local PC. Now, let's start generating the videos. First, navigate to the Create section, then select the Video tab. Here, you'll see options to choose a model and upload your downloaded images. Start by selecting the SeaArt Ultra2 Pro model, then upload one of the images you previously downloaded. SeaArt will automatically generate a prompt for you. If it looks good, simply click Generate or feel free to modify the prompt to better match your vision. Wow, the video has been generated. Let's take a look. By clicking here, you can add background music to your video, so feel free to give it a try. All right, friends, let's try one more image to understand this model even better. Okay, let's see. Look at that. The movements are incredibly realistic, almost like what we see in Veo 2. SeaArt even supports background music and voice integration. I'll cover all of that in detail in an upcoming video. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. For now, goodbye.